Hello, this is Humberto with A1 Pressure Washing, and today's video I'm going to share with you guys how I landed this job. So initially started by me spreading the word about my business to one of my buddies. My buddy spreaded the word to someone else, and then that person shared that word as well, and that's how I landed it. So I charged $400, which it was the stairs right that you see, well, kind of like the breaks and the walkway down the stairs. And it's pretty long. You'll see as the video continues. There's the little walkway to the left that goes to the driveway. The owner didn't want me to the driveway, and then there was a kind of like a little patio in the back, which was for bricks. And I, after doing this job, I should have charged more. And the reason I say that, it's because it had a bunch of moss. It had years of moss just built up. But that's also a lesson for me to learn. I thought it was going to take me 3 hours. It actually took me 6 hours. And I couldn't really take off the moss with the surface cleaner. And that's the reason why I say I should have charged more. But again, that's a lesson for me to learn. Now I know that I should charge more when it comes to moss. And yeah, I don't use any chemicals, so I'm very surprised how this actually came out. I do have some before and after pictures at the end of the video. I think that I should have probably used some type of chemicals to kill the moss, or just prevent it from regrowing again. And I just don't know how to use any chemicals, so I just kind of like avoided it, and I just went in with just pure water, just the pressure itself, and they actually did the job. If you have any advice or any tips on how to kill the moss or how to prevent it from growing again, please share that with me. Please comment below. That way I could gain some knowledge on how to deal with moss. And the word of today is going to be moss. So go ahead and comment below. I will reply back to your comment by saying time is money. We always gotta hustle. We always gotta make something happen. I'm very grateful for the owners that gave me an opportunity to do their stairs, their walkway, and their back patio. I'm very thankful that they just gave me that chance to show my skills and continue growing with this business. So big shout out to them. I'm not sure what it is with phones and recording. Every time I do a job or I'm just pressure washing in general, my phones freeze. Like they either overheat or they just like freeze, and the recording doesn't continue. And same thing for this video. I was able to just capture literally the stairs from the beginning all the way to the bottom, all the way to the road. So I didn't get the walkway going to the driveway, and I didn't get the back patio because the phone just froze. And I'm not sure. It wasn't even that hot this day, so I'm not sure why. But I need to look into it. I also need to get a better microphone so you guys can hear me clear and you guys don't hear the swallowing or the breathing. I'm gonna go ahead and let the video play with some music in the background. I hope it's soothing for you guys. I hope it's relaxing for you guys, and definitely satisfying for you guys. And if it is, go ahead, drop a like. But other than that, you know what it is. This is A1 Pressure Washing. Go ahead, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.